Everyone, this is the tutorial on how to use Destiny Discover, which is the online catalog for both the middle school and the 500 building. This is your friendly librarian, Mrs. Wallace, to tell you all about our online library catalog. So in order to personalize it just for you, we're actually going to log in. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So if you click on log in, and right where it says username and password, for username, you are going to type in your first name dot last name. David has generously allowed us to use his name. So again, first name dot last name. And then for your password, you are going to put in your lunch number. So not your Google password, not your email password, whatever it is your lunch number. So it's first name dot last name and then your lunch number and then click submit. And we're not going to remember David's login info, but now you can see that David is logged in. So you can scroll through and you can look at some of the books that we have that are new or popular, but we're going to go ahead and search a book. So based off of our first chapter 1 read aloud video, let's look up the book Focused. So we search for it right up here at the top. Okay, I've typed it in. This shows you on the left-hand side whether it's out or in. In this case, these are all books that have the word focused either in their title or in their description, but we're interested in this one right here. So we are going to click on it. All right, and now that we are in the title, we can do a number of things. We can put a hold on it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a hold on it. All right. If you have read this book, you can mark it as a favorite. You can give it a review. You can give it a star review. You can also add your own review. You can see if anyone else has left a review for this particular title. You can see how many copies we have. In this case, we have 1 copy in the middle school and we have 2 copies in the 500 building. So once again, this information will not only show you the title, the author, and the description, but it shows you some other things how you can personalize it. You can decide to add to a collection if you wanted to, save it to a list of books that you want to read. Okay, so I'm just going to X out of here. All right, and we're going to go back to the home screen. So if you go up here to the top left-hand corner, that'll take you back to your home screen. And just to navigate this really quickly, these are books that were recently added. You can browse books by topic. So if you like mystery books, anything that has mystery in the genre, I could click on this and all the titles will come up. All right, these are any popular titles. These are titles that are checked out either recently or checked out a lot. All right, up here for search options, if I click on that, I can actually change this. So if I want to look up something up by Lexile, I can look it up by Lexile. I can look it up by a keyword, by the specific title, by a series. So if I wanted to look up all the Harry Potter books, I just click series and then type in Harry Potter. Okay. Now to show you this one here, so we're going to click on the subcategory. And this will show you all the books that are in the genre of mystery that we have, whether they're in or out. And if you look here, this will show you right away what the Lexile is. So if you're looking for a particular book in your Lexile range, that'll show it right there. And again, this shows you the sublocation. So if it's on a specialty shelf like the new shelf or the Reading Olympic shelf in the 500 building, this would show whether or not it's on the carousel, if it is on the series shelf, on the read box. So this not only shows you whether or not it's in, but it shows you exactly where it's going to be in the library. All right, and so we go back to our home screen. And that's it. That is a quick overview of the library catalog. Once again, that's how you put a book on hold. I showed you how to search for a book, how to look up a book and see its Lexile or reading level, and also to show you, again, some of the new books that are in the library for when we get back to school and you can check them out.